cafe where jazz used to play, you caught my gaze. Old streets whispering secrets under autumn's amber blaze. Your laugh still echoes a ghost from younger, wilder days. Eyes the same shade of storm, oh how they still amaze. Are we just shadows of who we once were? Standing here, the same old smiles but older doubts drawing near. Do I still know you underneath all these years? Or are these stirrings just echoes of old cheers? Your smile, a flicker of what was once so clear, tangled in the might have beens, edged with fear. Is this a dance of new flames, or just cold forgotten tears? Tell me, darling, do we dare to rekindle what was so dear? You mentioned that old song, and suddenly it's back. That summer rain, our shared rhythm, the love we didn't lack. Your hand brushed mine, oh the courage that I crave to pull you close, not let this moment slip away. Are we just shadows of who we once were? Standing here, the same old smiles but older doubts drawing near. Do I still know you underneath all these years? Or are these stirrings just echoes of old cheers? Your smile, a flicker of what was once so clear, tangled in the might have beens, edged with fear. Is this a dance of new flames, or just cold forgotten tears? Tell me, darling, do we dare to rekindle what was so? Maybe in your eyes the love never did fade, or perhaps it's the goodbye we never truly said. Are we holding on to dreams that time betrayed, or is there a chapter left, one we haven't read? Do I still know you? Is there a spark beneath the years? Can these old songs drown out the doubts, the fears? Your smile, timeless in the now and here, tangled futures could be sweet, my dear. Let's dance once more. Is it love or just past tears? Stay a while, let's find what's real as the smoke clears. Style. In the glow of a firefly July, beneath stars you and I whispered low, talks of dreams that we chase till we'd fly, lost in moments only night could bestow. The air was young heartbeat sound. Every breath a promise, every silence profound. Midnight tears, the sound of dark. Echo the laughter, echo the spark. Your smiling shadows, my hand in yours. These are the keepsakes from closed doors. The night air, the whispered truth, our timeless summer, our vanished youth. Now each star seems to flicker your eyes, and the wind carries whispers of your laugh. The scent of the pines, the endless skies hold the echoes of our once perfect half. In this quiet, your memory feels so near, a gentle haunting, bittersweet and clear. Midnight tears, the sound of dark. Echo the laughter, echo the spark. Your smile and shadows, my hand in yours. These are the keepsakes from closed doors. The night air, the whispered truth, our timeless summer, our vanished youth. But the past is just a shadow play, glimmers of a sun that set, never to stay. Yet in every midnight's dark, your love remains a spark. Midnight tears, the sound of dark, renew, still playing the chapters that stars once knew. Your smile and shadows forever engraved in the heart of a night that loved your swan saved. Through the tears and the years I see so clear, you are my forever in every midnight tear. In the quiet of an empty glass, the shadows fell as whispers dried upon the lips of a tale we'd never tell. Our laughter faded into the walls, thin and frail, a love slipping silently like night into day's veil. In my heart a storm brewed, words unspoken, heavy with the rain of things we never said. Like a candle in rain, the sound of dark surrounds me. Your touch a ghost in the hallways of my mind. The echoes of our silence growing louder every night. I'm haunted by the smiles we lost, the dreams left behind. Why did we let the silence speak by the stars above. Now our rooms are silence hung in frames, photographs are whispering the remnants of your name. Each day grows longer yet feels the same, a symphony of echoes where love used to claim. In my heart a storm brewed, words unspoken, heavy with the rain of things we never said. Like a candle and rain, the sound of dark surrounds me. You touch a ghost in the hallways of my mind. The echoes of our silence growing louder every night. I'm haunted by the smiles we lost, the dreams left behind. Why did we let the silence speak louder than our love? The answer drifts away, a secret kept by the stars above. And in the quiet of truth, whisper soft and slow, the loved ones lived here more than shadows show. But gone like the candle smoke into the night, leaving but a wisp, a memory of light. Like a candle and rain, the sound of dark consumes. Your absence a chilling echo in empty rooms. The echoes of our silence now a deafening cry. I'm haunted, always haunted as the days pass by. Why did we let the silence drown out all our dreams? The answer lost forever, or so it seems. Candle and rain, the sound of dark, a love that fades away in the silence that remains, where I still wait for day. In glow of twilight's amber hues, your whispers linger in the fading light. Stars bear witness as I muse on your kisses soft as night. The world spins on, but time stands still. Every sunset brings your gentle thrill. Through the years where shadows play, love's a light that won't decay. Faded kisses in the rain, memories sweet where hearts remain. Never lost though we're apart, you dwell forever in my heart. I trace your steps and fallen leaves. Each season's change whispers your name, and every breeze that stirs the heat Your spirit's fire in my veins, faded kisses, timeless cries, and stars and dreams our love defies. Never gone.